Infinity Train Book 2 will begin airing Monday, but like usual, Cartoon Network released the first episode early on their app. Good thing they only put one episode on. Shows like this really benefit from being watched daily. The collective excitement of a fanbase is way more fun than just binging a story in one day. So this video will contain spoilers for the episode, so if you want to watch it, go find it on demand or on Cartoon Network's website or app. Anywho, episode 1, The Black Market Car. Right off the bat, I'm really glad the season just opens right up into the plot about Mirror Tulip. It doesn't need to recap what happened or re-explain the rules of the train. We already get that stuff. There's not too much of a mystery for them to dance around now, at least in this episode. My problem with the first season was how it focused so much on discovering how the train works, that we hardly even got to see the train working. But here everything's normal, one's in charge, and we focus on Mirror Tulip running away, which is a plotline we already understand. This episode does introduce a new character, Jesse, who has a fun and goofy personality. But not much else about him has been revealed yet. Obviously he's going to have some tragic backstory that landed him on the train, so as morbid as it sounds, I'm looking forward to learning that. I found it really cool how they did a lot of interesting framing in this episode to hide the number on Jesse's hand. Enough so that you know that it's there, but we don't know what the number actually is. The start of this episode is a montage of various carts, and Mirror Tulip changes her appearance, and eventually starts running away from the Reflection Police. I loved all the cool stuff they did with the reflection idea. The way Mirror Tulip had to grind off her hair and could use her arms to see what's behind her, and the way the police jumped in and out of reflective surfaces. I hope they do a lot more of that with future episodes, and I'm sure they will. The writers must have loved the Chrome Car episodes so much that they just wanted to do way more with that idea, so now we got a whole season for it. Once Mirror Tulip escapes the police, she hangs out in a gorgeous autumn-themed world with a weird deer that seems to have magic powers. If I had to guess, I'd say the deer is just a malfunctioning part or something, but I'm sure there's something much more interesting than that. Through that, she meets Jesse and they argue over the deer, and give it one of the best names I've ever heard, Alan Dracula. And then the deer falls in a hole and the episode ends. So good cliffhanger. I guess we should start calling this season Infinity Train Book 2, The Secret of the Weird Deer. So not much else to say though. I like the art direction, and I'm interested to see where this story goes, because just based on this episode, I have no clue what's going to happen. Again, the season will begin airing on Monday, January 6th at 7:30 Eastern Time, and air at 7:30 every day until Friday, January 10th. Let me know if you're excited, and let me know what you expect from this new season. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to know when I post a new video. Also consider supporting me on Patreon for just $2 a month to get some cool bonuses. Thanks for watching, and super special thanks to my Patreon supporters.